Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my Allure beauty box with Huda Beauty, I guess. I have no idea what's going to be in this. I'm super stoked to find out. And we will just jump into this little thing and see what we got. Gotta get the handy dandy knife to cut it open. With passion and purpose, every dream is possible. That's cute. We've got a lip color. We have this. And oh my goodness, oh look how cute she is. This whole box is so cute. But this is pink. I'm so excited about this. Alright, and then she's on the front. This is gonna be awesome. Alrighty, so this is an Allure exclusive beauty box lip color. And I think it's called Alluring, I'm guessing is why it's on the front of it. Look at this packaging. Like, that is so cute. And it says Huda Beauty loves Allure. Like, what does that say? Okay, so yeah, this is called Alluring. This is like a super red orange. It smells super good though. But it looks like it's gonna dry darker. Is it a matte? Yep, it's a matte. So it'll matte down. That's that for you guys. I like this packaging, it's so cute. Alright, so this retails for no money because it's exclusive, sorry. I'm like, this doesn't have a price. Alright. Well, never mind. There's no price to that one. So let's open this. The first thing I see, oh, we got Huda Beauty Samantha? Yeah, Samantha number 7 classic eyelashes. Those are insanely pretty. I love them, they're so long. Do you see those? Boom. I cannot wait to try these. Let's see how much these are. Okay, so these are $20 for these eyelashes. So we got two Hudas. Two Huda Beauty things in this box so far. Next is this little perfume sample. And the perfume is anywhere between $65 and $118 for the full size, obviously, not this little thing. But that's that. Let's see if it smells good. It's vanilla. Yep, it smells pretty good. It's sweet. Yeah, that smells actually really good. At first I was like, no. Now I'm like, oh, that actually smells nice. Alright, I can still smell it. Okay, next, there's like this gigantic, it's a hydro gel mask. This thing is huge. And this is worth $10 for this mask. I'm gonna have to try this out. It's gold 24 karat nail hydro gel mask in Japanese at the bottom. And the whole back. Look at this. Japanese. But this is cool. I can't wait to use that. I love masks, so that's always a win. They have these scratch offs. I never do them because it's like a sneak peek of what's in your box. Next, alright, so this is a texturizing hairspray, which I can use at work. And the full size is normally 26, so this is probably like 10. And I'll have to try this on people because I don't really use it in my hair, but I definitely use this on clients, so I'll have to try this out for them. And then last is this 24-hour glide-on eye pencil. Ooh, it's super black. So nice and black. That's what you want from your eyeliner. It's from Urban Decay. And this is $22. And that's the little magazine. I really like this pink. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use this. I love all these bags that come in this. Like, these are just so cool. And they're like so neon. I have like a green one, an orange one, this pink one, a clear one. The clear one's different though. That was from the Carly Bible one, and it like snaps. All these other ones like go into this little like thing, but they're cool. The only thing that kind of scares me about them is like stuff can fall out of these like top parts right here, but these bags are super cute. I really like them. Every time I get them, I'm like, ooh. So that's everything I got in my Allure box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super excited about the Allure stuff. I don't know if I'll really wear this that much just because it's so red, but I can cosplay with it and all that good stuff, you know? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Have a good rest of your day.